And we are back here on Open. Limited Health Institute is a not for profit organization that's actually collaborating with other caring organizations at NYC to help people experience the link between their own health and happiness and how they can care for others. And with most summer programs and camps now being canceled due to the COVID-19 virus and pandemic, how has the Institute adapted its services to keep children and teens connected to one another? Well, joining us now to share a little bit more on this show is the founder of Limited Health Institute, Lobsang Chunzom, and we thank you so much for being with us.
Hi, it's nice to be here.
And, and thank you for the great work that you're doing. When we talk about being connected and connecting children and staying connected and doing that in this season. I know that, collaboration is key, and you guys have done a great job of really having boots on
Mm.
the ground. Share a little bit with our viewers about some of the great things that you do.
LHI provides free services, and we have some good programs that were available to help the children act in a new social lifestyle while distancing and giving the kids a really easy way to express about any issues or concerns they might have regarding the pandemic and changes to their educational system. So we connect with community centers throughout the city and share and support the programming that they have, to help them to bring these new programs to the children and the families today. Especially now, we want to support programs and in their health and education departments. And many organizations are going through changes with their own internal systems. So we're available to help and to bring some new programming with interactive components to the education for the youth and many centers this summer. And we have this new online platform. We brought our program Song Connect Us to Kingsbridge in the Bronx.
And when we talk about Song Connects Us, that youth program, for youth, obviously having something to do in the summer is very important. We know that summer jobs are pretty much not going to be happening. Summer activities pretty much canceled. So talk to us about how you're going to make the Song Connects Us program connect with youth, particularly during this time.
Our programs have this really great creative arts therapeutic component to them, and it's very successful with young people because the participants get to support each other during the creative process itself. And this is one of the ways to achieve any goals, and especially if they want to start achieving their dreams. I mean, many of them are very confused or a lot of confusion about going forward in the future in their education and their own sports and different skills that they want to learn. So helping each other at this time is going to be really important. And it's vital to take care of the young people's mental health right now and using the power of creativity to maintain health and well-being during this pandemic is very effective through the creative arts therapy.
And when we talk about the kids, talk to us about mental health during this time. It's very important. COVID-19 has definitely had a serious and adverse effect on many people in the area of mental health. Agree?
Yeah, definitely. Like I was saying, in the creative arts therapy, it helps to address the mental concerns and emotional issues that the youth are having, because sometimes it's really difficult to talk about these things just using words. So by using creativity, and while you are being creative, you can also see what the children are, performing or creating or singing about. It really shows their emotions and what they're feeling and how they are coping with this situation right now. That's such a big crisis, health crisis in our communities.
Yeah, and talk to us about meditation because that's also a part of the mental health component. And I know that meditation is very important to you.
We have a great inner essentials program that we put forth for the pandemic time to help people to de-stress and to learn new ways of dealing with the different situations. They were working from home and being having to work closer with their families in the environment, so creating a good space at home for meditation. We were doing some advanced trainings for that, and we started to involve the families. So to use meditation for youth, it's great because it helps them to create new habitual habits in their life. And it starts to give you a way that you can learn to watch how am I acting with others in between the meditation. So if I want to have some peace of mind myself and not be so anxious, then I have to make sure that I'm not disturbing the peace of mind of somebody else, and also not making them anxious with my anxiety or whatever. So right now, the children, when they are meditating, they are learning to review and to look at did I act yesterday, and how can I act differently tomorrow. And there's certain meditation techniques that really help them to tune into this exact idea and how they can then create the world that they want to see tomorrow.
And for people who want to get connected to your organization, how can they do so, and how can they be a part?
They can contact us through www.limitlesshealthinstitute.org and visit our website. And we have many of the programs on there, and you can select which one that you might want to enjoy volunteering for. We are always looking for creative and innovative health and happiness educators. We love to work with other organizations and collaborations that we can bring our programs together to serve more people. So any organization that would like to join us in our programs, just give us an email or a call and we can connect that way.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. We'll leave it there. And thank you so much. We will be back with more open. We want you to stay with us. We do have more show. We're coming right back right after this.